Hello, my name is Tumba Comfort, the lead trainer at I-MACT Africa Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to put text behind you in a video. So let's go into the tutorial.
Now that we're in Capcut, we're going to click on New Project. Okay, so once the project is open, we're going to click on this one and then we'll click on Add. So now that the project is here, you want to tap on this text icon here. Click on text icon here, click on Add Text, and then you click here to start typing. So let's say Tumba Comfort. Okay, once that is done, click on font and then you pick the font that you want. Click on that. So once you're done, you click on this check mark here. Just click on the text and use your hand to adjust it. You can put it here. So once you're done that, click on download. You're going back to Capcut, you click on new project, you bring this video that you just downloaded, you bring it back, and then you go to overlay. Okay, click on add overlay and bring that other video that you have not put text on. So you're going to adjust it to fit. Okay, so once you have done that, you're going to click on the video that you just brought as overlay. Click on cut out, remove background, and you wait for your background of the video to be removed. So once the background of video is removed, you click on this check mark here. So let's play our video and see.
Hello, my name is Tumba Comfort, the lead trainer at I-MACT Africa Academy.
So that is how to put text behind you in a video. Hope you learned something today.
Now you know how to put text behind you in a video. Share this video and follow me for more content like this.